love the theatre. I love the cinema. I love going out. I love clubbing. I enjoy travelling. I don't like pubs. I don't like noisy bars. I don't like nightclubs. I hate shopping. I can't stand football. I'm interested in photography. I'm interested in history. I'm interested in languages. I read a lot. Have you read any good books lately? Have you seen any good films recently? Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Yes, I play tennis. Yes, I play golf. I'm a member of a gym. No, I'm not particularly sporty. I like watching football. Which team do you support? I support Manchester United. I support Chelsea. I'm not interested in football. Do you play any instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. Yes, I've played the piano for years. Yes, I've played the piano for 5 years. I'm learning to play the violin. I'm in a band. I sing in a choir. What sort of music do you like? What sort of music do you listen to? Pop. Rock. Dance. Classical. Anything really. Lots of different stuff. Have you got any favourite bands?
What do you do? What do you do for a living? What sort of work do you do? What line of work are you in? I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a doctor. I work as a journalist. I work as a programmer. I work in television. I work in publishing. I work in PR. I work in sales. I work in IT. I work with computers. I work with children with disabilities. I stay at home and look after the children. I'm a housewife. I've got a part-time job. I've got a full-time job. I'm unemployed. I'm out of work. I'm looking for work. I'm looking for a job. I'm not working at the moment. I've been made redundant. I was made redundant 2 months ago. I do some voluntary work. I'm retired. Who do you work for? I work for a publisher's. I work for an investment bank. I work for the council. I'm self-employed. I work for myself. I have my own business. I'm a partner in a law firm. I'm a partner in an accountancy practice. I'm a partner in an estate agent's. I've just started at